guide you to share YouTube video on Instagram story. For that, firstly, let's go to the YouTube here. And after opening the YouTube, you can select your own YouTube videos or otherwise the other people's YouTube videos. So you need to scroll down like this to find the video like this. Let's say I'm scrolling down to find this vlog. And now from here, you can find the share option, which is below the channel name, and tap on that. From here, you could see the copy link option. So you can directly share it to the social media also. After that, you need to tap on copy link. So you could see that has been copied. Now, all you need to do is that you need to come out of the YouTube and go to your Instagram. And from there, you need to tap on your story here and go to the story. From there, you need to tap on create, or you can select any of the picture from the gallery. Let's say if you need to post this, you can zoom in like this or zoom out like this, and from there you could find that video here, and you can take the screenshot of this like this, and you can tap on that, and you can edit that up to over there. So now let's say I am cropping over this, and there, why I'm cropping is that I can make sure that is more comfortable and more clear that I'm sharing that specific YouTube video story on my Instagram. For that, let's go to the Instagram again, select the camera here and go to the picture. So this is the video that I need to share on Instagram story. After that, I need to tap on sticker icon, and there you need to scroll down to find the link option. So you can paste that link here. So after that, you can tap on done. So people who view, and you can place it anywhere you want. So I'm placing here. People who view this link by tapping on that, they can directly visit to the YouTube and they can watch that. And I'm typing check this video of Priyanka Chopra. Done. So I'm placing it here. And now I can tap on your story here. This is, so I can share it to the Facebook also. So I'm tapping on now. So this is how you share YouTube video on Instagram story. Thank you.